Assalamualaikum. So first of all, I want to talk about definition of taxation. So what is tax? A tax is compulsory financial charge or some other type of levy imposed on a taxpayer, an individual or legal entity by a governmental organization in order to fund government spending and various public expenditures. A failure to pay along with evasion of or resistance to taxation is punishable by law. And then I want to talk about the objective of taxation. The levying of taxes aim to raise revenue, to fund governing, or to alter prices in order to affect demand. States and their functional equivalent throughout history have used money provided by taxation to carry out many functions. Some of these include expenditure on economic infrastructure, such as roads, public transportation, legal system, public safety, education, healthcare system, military, scientific, culture, and public work.
Okay, scope of charge. Scope of charge is being defined in the Section 3 or Income Tax Act 1967. So the income tax should be charged for each of your assessment upon income of any person. It's whether it's derived from Malaysia or received from outside Malaysia. There are two types of taxes which is direct and indirect. For the direct taxes, it will be collected by the Inland Revenue Board. It will also be paid by the taxpayer based on what has been charged on them. Example of the tax is income tax. For the indirect tax, it will be collected by the Royal Custom or an Excise Department. It will be collected through the third party, which is product or service. Example of this tax is sales tax and service tax.
So next is the classes of income. Section 4, subject to this act, that income upon which tax is chargeable under this act is income in respect of, first, gains from or profits from a business. Second is gains or profit from an employment. Third is dividends, interest or discounts. Fourth is rents, royalties or premiums. Fifth is pensions, annuities or other periodical payments. And lastly is gains or profits not falling under any of the foregoing paragraphs.
Firstly, we talk about basis year. Basis year is the number stated on each year assessment. As example, the year assessment of 2017. So 2017 is the basis year. Okay, next we move to the basis period. Basis period is the duration of 12 months of an accounting period. Usually, it starts at January and must end 12 months after, which is on 31 December. Lastly, we talk about year of assessment. Year of assessment refer to the year in which income tax is calculated and charged. The assessment is for the income earned in the preceding year, starting on 1 January and ending on 31 December. Year of assessment also can relate as a calendar year, which means the year where income tax is assessed. As example, for year assessment 2020, the assessment is from 1 January 2019 to 31 December 2019.
Okay, so next I will be talking about chargeable person. Generally, a chargeable person is a person who derives from Malaysia. The person will be chargeable and accessible to the tax. However, where it is difficult or impractical to collect tax from such person, the Act provides appointment of agents or representative to be assessed and charged on behalf of such person.
Thank you.